Welcome to Silk Skill, your one-stop destination to explore and discover lots of kids' activities and hobbies. Well, today we are going to make grandpa card. Isn't that beautiful? Yes, it is. Well, I believe that we don't need any special occasion to celebrate Grandpa or Grandma Day, isn't it? So, I would love that you should make this beautiful card for your grandpa and give him and share your feelings with him. He will be very, very happy. So, let's begin. Let me show you how to make this beautiful 3D grandpa card. For this, let me show you what all we need. Okay, all right, here we go. So first of all, we need one big A4 sheet. You can go with a light green color or you can go with a light yellow color. We have to fold this because we are supposed to make a card. Just press it like this and I'm going to keep it right here. Then we need the navy blue black sheet. This is 11 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Okay, the length is 11 centimeter and the width is 10 centimeter. Then we need pink light color circle, which is 8 centimeter. Moving on to these two tiny triangles. This is going to be about 4 centimeter and we need two of them. So two black triangle, 4 centimeter each. Then we have this red rectangle. This is 4 centimeter and this is 3 centimeter. So you can go with 2 or 3. It's okay. So this is just going to be the lips of grandpa. Okay. And then we have this grandpa pocket. This is a green in color, which is about, it's just normally it's like a square. So you can go with say about 3 centimeter. Moving on to these circles. Now the big circle, let me just show you. This big circle is 5 centimeter and we need two of them. Then a little small circle. This one is 3 centimeter. We again need two of these. And then we need 4 white circles, little more tiny one. This is about 2.5 centimeter. And then we have these two black circles, 2 centimeter. This is going to be for eyes. Okay, we need two of these white, 2.5, and here when we're going to place it, so there's not much difference. It's just hardly. Okay, all right. So let's start out with the grandpa card. So first of all, as we have seen in the card, we are going to give it a little bit of U shape. So here we go. So with pencil, you just have to give little bit of U shape to it. Like from the sides here, just give a little pencil line to it. And we just need to cut the edges, you can say. Okay. And just give a little bit U. So let me just show it to you how. That will be more clearer. I'm about to cut. I'm going to give it a little bit U-ish cut. Okay. Like this. And from here as well, like this. Okay, so I just need to turn around this little more, I guess. Let me give this a little bit of more U shape. So we have to place this right here. Okay, so if you believe that this is more broad, you can also cut it. Okay, so as I'm thinking it's a little more broad, so let it be a little more sleek. You want a little broad or not broad. Okay, so now all I have to do is I have to place it here. Okay, but before that, let me see if this will look nice. Yes, it's going fine. Okay, let's apply the fevicol. So here we go. So now let's work on his eyes. Let's make these beautiful eyes. Before that, let's just fold these because this is a 3D effect. So let us just fold all of the white circles first, except for these two, which are the tiny one. This was about 2.5 centimeters. So you can place it here, the black and the white first, so that you don't get confused. So rest of the white circle, just fold this because it's a 3D effect. So we have to give a 3D effect to it. And now let us work with the eyes first. Okay, here we go. Apply the fevicol and just press it here. Now that is nice. So now first of all, let me see how I'm going to make lips, because as I have to give these cute, small, tiny moustache to him. So this is the same as the eyes. Okay. So this is again 2.5 centimeter. So I have to give this moustache this look. So it's up to you. You want to give it like this, you can do it like this. If you want to give it like this, you can. So now I know how much I have to cut. Okay. All right. So now I can give a U shape, and let's see the lips. Okay. So give it a U shape. So I'm going to show it to you, and then I'm going to cut it. Now it's fine. So now again, it's up to you the way you want to give the moustache. You want it to be coming up or like this way, that's up to you. All right, so let's start off with this. Oh, it's looking cute, isn't it? Yes. All right, and now we have to make green pocket. So again, you have to give a little bit U shape to it, and then you have to cut it. Okay, let me see if this is looking nice with this. Let me lift it up and see. Okay, it's going to be coming like this. Yes, it is giving a nice look. And even this is giving a nice look. Yes, so this is why I'm giving you an option so that you can do whatever you feel right. There's no, compulsory thing, but okay, so I need to fix this first to find out how much space I need so that I can just fix this. Okay, now I guess this is going to be fine. All right, so let us work on his hair now. Okay. Like here. Okay, so our grandpa is almost ready. So let me lift it up to show you first. See this? Yes, it's looking cute, isn't it? Yes. So now we have to make a bow. So that is why we have taken two triangles. This is about 4 centimeter. And then I'm going to give a little bit round effect to it. Okay. So see, just normally cutting it round so that you can see it like a bow effect. So let me just cut it like a round one, both of them like this. Okay, like an ice cream scoop. Isn't it? It's actually looking like an ice cream scoop. Now I would like to cut these edges because we don't need this edge. Here we go. Okay. So if you want to give, you can give it like a more ice cream look. Okay, like a semicircle, whatever you want to call it as. This is kind of working a little bit more on this. once your card is ready too, so you can write beautiful wordings here and give it to this give it to your grandpa. I'm sure he's going to love it, you know, because they are old people. They expect love. So once you're going to give this beautiful card to them, I'm sure they will be very happy. So this is my 3D grandpa card ready. So let me lift it up and show it to you. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, here we go. So my beautiful grandpa card is ready. So please do make this beautiful card and give to your grandpa. He will definitely will be very, very happy to receive. Okay, bye-bye, kids.